Bullish Avax value forecast is $28.99 to $84.10. Avalanche, Avax, cost could likewise reach $100 soon. Bearish Avax cost expectation for 2022 is $15.91. In torrential slide, Avax, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about Avax to examine the future development of the digital currency. Torrential slide, Avax, current market status. The cost of torrential slide, Avax, is $16.84 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $211,620,234 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, Avax has diminished by almost 1.3% as of now. Besides, torrential slide, Avax, has a flowing stockpile of 295,769,062 Avax. Torrential slide, Avax, exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, FTX, Gate.io, and KuCoin. What is torrential slide, Avax? Torrential slide, Avax, is the local digital money of the Torrential Slide organization. Avax was sent off in 2020. Torrential Slide is an open-source decentralized blockchain for making dApps and ReDApp blockchains. It is prominently known as the winter theme biological system that holds Avax, the red coin. Avax tokens have three essential use cases. Right off the bat, they act as the exchange expense. They act as the essential unit for all Torrential Slide subnets. In addition, clients can stake Avax and acquire these tokens as remunerations. Torrential Slide includes three interoperable blockchains with particular functionalities and various subnets. The trade chain, X-chain, handles the exchanging exercises. The agreement chain, C-chain, implied for making dApps. The stage chain, P-chain, implied for approving exchanges and keeping up with subnets. Torrential Slide agreement convention is unmistakable. It isn't totally founded on the confirmation of work, POW, or verification of stake, POS. It works with a coordinated non-cyclic chart, DAG, upgraded agreement. Quite, the Snowman Convention, a piece of the Torrential Slide agreement convention, worth focusing on and implied for block creation. Torrential Slide, Avax, value expectation 2022. The above outline of Avax laid the diving channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A sliding channel, shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is normal for a negative market. Right now, Torrential Slide, Avax, is in the scope of $18.74. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Avax could arrive at the obstruction levels of $21.35, $23.92, and $28.51. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Avax might tumble to $17.35. Torrential Slide, Avax, value expectation 2022, Rival, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Torrential Slide, Avax, displayed in the outline beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Avax lies over the end line, serious areas of strength for demonstrating in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of Torrential Slide, Avax, is displayed in the diagram above. Quite, Torrential Slide, Avax, cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Avax has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Avax whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the Avax is 33.31. This implies that Torrential Slide, Avax, is almost in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Avax might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. The above outline addresses the ADX of Torrential Slide, Avax. Presently, The ADX of Avax lies in the scope of 25.97 and subsequently, it shows a frail pattern. The above outline likewise addresses the overall instability file, RVI, of torrential slide, AVAX. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Avax lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of torrential slide, AVAX, is at 33.31 in this manner, affirming a potential sell signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of Avax is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Avax additionally increments or diminishes individually. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, torrential slide, AVAX, could likely achieve $145 by 2023. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, torrential slide, AVAX, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Avax could revitalize to hit $165 by 2024. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2025. If torrential slide, AVAX, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Avax would revitalize to hit $185. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2026. If torrential slide, AVAX, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Avax would mobilize to hit $195. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2027. On the off chance that torrential slide, AVAX, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Avax would mobilize to hit $205. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2028. Torrential slide, AVAX, holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Avax would hit $215 in 2028. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their weight